We'll see the example for subtraction of two integers using the Turing machine. So here the function is given as f of x is equal to x minus y if x is greater than y, and if it is less than or equal to y, the result should be 0. If it is greater than y, we should get the difference of two numbers. If it is less than or equal to y, we have to get the result as 0 here. Now we will take the input tape as 0 power x, 1 and 0 power y. X is nothing but x, we will be denoting with the number of zeros with x and the number of zeros for y. And like I'll take for the example, x is equal to 3 and y equal to 2. As already I said, the integer values in the Turing machine will be represented with the zeros. So that means 3 zeros for x. So first initially I'll take the blank, 3 zeros for x, and these two I am separating with 1. 1 is a separator here, 1, and how many y's? 2 y's here. So 2 zeros for y, and again we will take the blank here. So now we have to take, first I will just take the case for x greater than y case, 3 greater than 2 case here. Now what is the logic we will see here is, when you see the first zero, let us make this first zero as blank and we will go on traversing. First zero, make it as blank and we will go on traversing until you see this blank. Okay, we will see that first. So Q naught. Now what I said, when you see the first zero, we have to make this first zero as blank and you have to move right. You're moving right. Now all the zeros and 1, you just go on skipping until you find the blank. So I'll take the state as Q1. Any number of zeros, just go on skipping, move right, and any ones also, just you go on skipping and move right. So this 0 as it is and you are moving right, to all the zeros and all the ones you have gone on skipping. Now you are coming to this blank now. So when you come to this blank, what we do is, now we will change the state. This blank as it is, let us change the state and move left now. So now you are seeing blank. So blank, I am not doing anything and I am moving left now. I have changed my state. Now the state is Q2. Now I am here. Now 3 minus 2, we have to get the answer as 1. So this 0 and the last 0 will go for cancellation. So when you move here, this 0 you make it as blank now. When you move left, this 0 we have to make it as blank. So now we will do this 0, we will make it as blank and we will move left and you take it as Q3 here. And all these zeros, once again all the zeros and ones, once again we have to go on skipping and we have to move left until we see the blank now. So the process is repeated. So all the zeros you have to just go on skipping, move left, and if you see 1 also, you move left. So this 0 we have skipped, this 1 we have skipped, this 0. So all the zeros you are skipping. Now once again you are coming to the blank now. So when you see this blank you have to just as it is, and the same process should be repeated. It is a recursive process. Again this blank, when you just go on traversing, you are coming to this blank now. So when you have here, okay, I'll just show you. When you see this blank, what I said, nothing we have to do, this blank as it is, and you have to move right. And you have to move right. Again the same process is repeated now. So what is happening? Now this 0, what you are doing? This 0 you are making it as a blank and you are moving right. So this 0 you are skipping, this 1 also you are skipping, and this 0 also you are skipping. So all this is a skipping case. Now if you have blank, what we have to do? Again you move left. So after moving left, what we have to do? This 0, what we have to do? We have to make it as a blank. So this 0, make it as a blank and move left. So this 0 you are making it as move left. Again what we have to do? We have to go on skipping. So 1 you skip it, 0 you skip, and again you will get the blank. Again you are getting blank. So when you are getting blank, again you are moving right. You are moving right. Now again what you are doing? This 0, what you are doing? You are making it as a blank. This 0 you are making it as a blank, and 1 you are skipping, and again you are moving right. So when you are moving right, what you have? You have blank. So when you are having blank, what you have to do now? You are move left. That means you are coming here, you are moving left. But according to our question is 3, x is equal to 3 and y equal to 2. So we have taken 3 zeros and 2 zeros. So when you subtract 3 zeros from 2 zeros, we should left over with a single 0. All this should become blank. But if you observe in our tape, we are left over. We are not left over with any zeros. All the zeros are left over, and we are left over with 1 now. 1 is actually a separator. So we are at the Q2 state now. We are seeing blank and we are moving left. When we are moving left, you have a blank. But according to our answer, what should be our answer actually? We have to get 1 0 as an output now. So now we are at the Q2 state, right? So at the Q2 state, when you see 1, you make this as a 0 and you halt. So let us take this state as Q4 now. You make this as 1 and you make this as, let us make this as 0. Now finally what you have in the tape now? You have the tape in the tape 0. Our answer is correct, right? So 3 minus 2 is 1. So 1 means 1 0. Yes, we have a single 0 now. So that is the answer. This is the case for x greater than y. Now we'll check the another case here for x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 3. So when x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 3, so for 2 we have 2 zeros and the separator is 1, and for 3 zeros, and finally we have is a blank. And here also let us take the blank here. Now let us check it. According to our question, for x less than or equal to y, it should be 0. It should be 0 means everything should be blank now. Okay, now let us start. Now this 0 you are making it as blank, and all the zeros you are skipping, and you are coming to the blank. You are in the state Q2. Now this blank you have, now move left. You are moving left and you are coming to the Q2 state. Now this 0 you are making it as blank, and again you are moving left. So you are moving left and all the zeros and ones you are skipping. Again you are getting blank. So when you are getting blank, you are moving right, and this 0 what you are doing? This 0 you are making it as a blank, and again you are moving right. So all the ones and zeros you are skipping. Now you are coming to the blank. You are in the state Q2. So again what you are doing? This 0 you are making it as blank, and again you are moving left. So all the zeros and all the ones again you are skipping. So all the zeros and all the ones you are skipping. Now here you are blank. So blank again you are moving right. So when we are moving right here, you are in the state Q0. We are here. Still we have these values now. So we have 1 and here we have 0. So when you are in the Q0 state, we are not having 0. We are not having 0. The meaning is here x is less than y. X is 2 and y is 3. X is less than 0. So in that case, what we will do here is we will take one more state here, because you are getting in the Q0. You are in the Q0 state. We have a transition for 0. But do you have 0 now? We don't have 0. So let us take the transition as Q5. Now whatever are left over, so what is left over here, 1 with 1, just move 1 with blank, we will move and we will make it as move right, and after 1 we can have any number of zeros here. So any number of zeros you make it as a blank and you move right, the number of zeros, and you will be moving and you will be right. So this is the graphical notation for x minus y, for x greater than y, and x less than or equal to y. So for this you can write down the transitions. The graphical notation is given. For this you can write down the transitions.